Hi everyone, I'm Praveena. Today we are going to see a small story from Mahabharata. We all know Sahadeva as one of the brothers of Pandava. There is much more personality to Sahadeva. So we are going to see Sahadeva as one of the main protagonists. Sahadeva, one time what happened was it is the war time, and both the parties, Gauravas and Pandavas, they are collecting allies for their side, and they are discussing lots of strategies and tactics of the wars. So in that heated moment, Shakuni called Duryodhana. Duryodhana, please go and see Sahadeva and get the muhurtam, that is good date for sacrificial ceremony for Kalabali. And Duryodhana told, but uncle, he is our enemy. Do you think really I have to go and approach him for the muhurtam dates? Of course, Duryodhana, he might be our enemy, but he is a very, very ethical and honest person. You have to go and get the dates from him, not from anyone else. Okay, uncle, I will go. Sahadeva, see, I have a deal for you. You know, right? We are very powerful. We have a very powerful army. Anyways, we are going to win. If you give a good date for the war, I can give you and Nakula a country of each. Duryodhana, I don't want your deal, but I can very well give you the good dates for the sacrificial ceremony. So there, Sahadeva gave the good date for the ceremony. And Duryodhana happily went with the information. So this is a small incident which can make us understand the personality of Sahadeva. We will go to an entirely different scenario. One day, Krishna wanted to meet all the Pandavas. This is a war time. Before they decide whether they need a war or they want to go for a peace treaty and all that. So at this moment, Krishna wants to know what Pandavas are thinking, and he went and approached each one of them. He asked Arjuna, Arjuna, do you really think we need to fight with Gauravas? What is your opinion on that? Of course, Krishna, we have to fight with them. Especially, I have to kill Karna and I have to capture the throne of Indraprastha. Okay, Arjuna. And there he went to Bhima. He asked Bhima, Bhima, do you really think we need to fight with Kauravas and we need a war? Of course, Krishna, I am going to tear open the Duryodhana and wash the blood on Draupadi's hair. Then only I can rest. Okay. Nakula, what about you? What do you think? Do you need a war? Of course, Krishna, they have insulted us so much. We have to fight for ourselves and we have to get the throne. Yudhishthira, what do you think of the war? Krishna, I know we have gone through lots of difficult condition and they have insulted us so much. But I would like to go for peace because I don't want to fight with my cousins and all of our relatives, well-wishers like Vidura, Bhishma, Dronacharya, everyone are in their side. So I don't want to fight with them. I rather would like you to go for the peace conversation with them, Krishna. Can you do it for me? Sure, Yudhishthira, I can do it for you. Sahadeva, what do you think about the war? Krishna, why do you ask us? You know what is going to happen and you're the one who is responsible for what is going to happen. Sahadeva, what do you say? Can we talk in person, please? Yes, Krishna. Sahadeva, what are you saying? Do you think I am the one responsible for creating this war? You know, right? I spoke with both the sides. I'm trying my level best to stop the war. Don't you know that? Krishna, we can really stop the war if you think. Really? If you think we can stop the war, tell me, Sahadeva, how do you stop? How can we stop the war? Okay, this is, I tell a small uh, poem. This came in Villiputtar Mahabharatam. பாராள கர்ணன் நிகர் பார்த்தனன் கொன்றான் அஞ்சன் காரார் குழல் களைந்து காலில் தலை பூட்டியே நேராக கைப்பிடித்து நின்னை நான் கட்டுவனாயின் வாராமல் காக்கலாம் மகாபாரதம் எல்லாம். So if we kill Arjuna, that is if we kill Arjuna, and if we if we break Kandiva of Arjuna, Kandivam of Arjuna, and if we give throne to Karna, and if we break the Gadayuta of Bhima, and if we can tie or if we can cut the hair of Draupadi, or if I can tie you, Krishna, I can stop Mahabharata. If all these things happen, we can stop Mahabharata. What do you say, Sahadeva? You can do all the things you mentioned. We can break the Kandiva of Arjuna. Okay, we can make Karna as a king of Indraprastha throne. And we can also break Bhima's Gadayuta. We can also cut the hair of Draupadi. But do you think you can tie me, Sahadeva? Of course, Krishna, I can tie you. Let's see. Immediately, the Krishna replicated himself into thousands of images, and he stood in front of Sahadeva. And Sahadeva silently closed his eyes, and with his bhakti and devotion, he just tied Krishna in his heart. Immediately, all the images and replicas of Krishna disappeared and joined to form one Krishna. And he got tied up with the thick rope. And Sahadeva, please leave me. I can understand. I got tied with your true devotion. Please leave me, Sahadeva. Okay, Krishna, come. Sahadeva, but do you know, the war is anyways going to happen, and that is for the greater good, and only the dharma will win. So I can't help it, Sahadeva. Yes, I know, Krishna. I respect you, and I will always be. Thank you.